Joey Lambert. I'm president of Lambert Cleaning out of Virginia. We came to discover SoftWash this week. First off, I want to say that I think it's well worth it. While we had already purchased our system, it was great information to be able to receive. For those of you that might be thinking about purchasing a system, I think it's well worth you coming down and speaking with everyone, seeing exactly what they have to offer. Not only does it seem like it's a family, you're kind of jumping into a network of support people who are going to be able to help you out long term, make sure you're successful in your business. I think it's been phenomenal. I brought one of my staff members down. Anybody else that I bring in, I'm probably going to send them down for the training as well.
Awesome. What have been probably a couple of your biggest takeaways from this week at Discover SoftWash?
Well, I don't know if it's actual related to anything physically for SoftWash, but the fact is that I feel like I have a phone number to call if I need help. That's one of the biggest things, to go to my Shield support agent and be able to say, hey, I'm stuck here. I don't know what to do. I've got something going on with this. I've got something going on with that. And for them to be able to direct me to the right resource. Not only knowing that there's an end game in the certification process where I can join into a network and reach out to hundreds of other people who can chime in and help me fix a problem or help a customer or deal with something. I think that's one of the biggest takeaways that I have from this week.
And what might you tell somebody that is kind of skeptical about going to Discover SoftWash or thinking about that they might not need it?
Just do it. Take the leap. It's a nominal cost for the return that you're going to get in this investment. It's great hands-on experience. It's awesome to understand the full gamut that SoftWashSystems can give to you to provide your business. They basically have a business concept in a box for you. All you have to do is just jump in, be willing and ready to spend the money. Whether it's small or large, it's worth it for sure.
Awesome. Thank you so much.